morning internet. Time check 5:57. So nasa Heathrow Terminal 5 pa tayo ngayon. Yung transit tayo kahapon. Papunta tayo ngayon Belfast. Good morning internet. Welcome to Belfast. Kunwari nasa ibang bansa kayo.
Kunwari lang
We're in the city of Belfast and that's the city hall. Try natin pumasok sa loob. Check natin kasi pwede daw pumasok eh. It was built 1890. Medyo luma na yung building pero it's really nice. Mag-hike tayo ngayon papuntang Cave Hill, tapos makikita natin yung Belfast. So try natin kasi medyo umulan at saka malamig at saka mahangin, pero check natin, try natin. We're entering the just like that. Yeah, that's cool. And I'm with my brother-in-law, Michael. He's a local here. He knows the place. That's quite steep. First section. Yeah. So much complaints about everything, but I think she's fitter now compared to yeah, and diet as well. So I think it helps a lot, but it's like the process is not drastic, which is good. Yeah, correct. But I think she's just being consistent, that's why. Yeah, have to take care of your hello. Whoa. Now it's starting to drizzle and muddy. UPS dito. check it later. Oh.
Is it war and axe people?
Yeah, very good. And they're still using bow and arrow. So it's pretty cool. And from time to time you can see them. They're bringing some of the produce to the town. So let's python. They look like really big python. And then they sell the meat.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, there's a lot of walkers.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool. We're preparing for our lunch. And then one of our teammates picked us up like adobong python. And we were like, yeah. So that's our lunch.
Yeah. I heard a snake because it tastes like chicken a bit.
Yeah. Even cobras. I remember in central Luzon, in Pampanga, Tarlac, and Bulacan, they're eating those. Woo! We're almost there at the summit, and it's getting really steep.
That looks steep.
Oh yeah. And you can hear us breathing. Michael doesn't breathe that much. And the backdrop is getting really beautiful. That's Steve.
Yeah.
You feel that? Hello. How are you? Hello. Whoa! It's Steve. Look at that, it's beautiful. The summit is just up ahead. Yeah, and we have like a really clear weather. So it's beautiful up here. It's windy though. And you can see Belfast.
It's Belfast Lock, which is lake, and there's the harbour.
Yeah. And this is going up north, this way.
This is the line towards Scotland.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's beautiful here. So up there is the summit. We're gonna climb it, and the city of Belfast below. Ooh, nice. Whoa! Check that out. Yes. Okay, go up. Okay. It's pretty deep. Wow, very nice. Yes. This is awesome. So, summit,
Very.
windy up here. Ah. Woo! And whoa! So there are different trails
Yeah.
going up here.
That's pretty technical. That's steep. And that as well. That's fairly steep. No, really. Why are we trying to do that?
Yeah. Wow. Oh, pushes me. And man, we're just gonna do a 360. Woo! Yeah. We're taking shortcut.
Looks like the Inca Trail. They have something like this, something similar. Yeah.
I only go sideways. My days are getting
Wow, there's still a lot of people going up.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
The weather needs to be pretty bad to put people up
Yeah.
here. Used to this kind of weather. Hello. This is the best the weather's been for like a couple of months, so people
Yeah.
are probably taking it.
So we're lucky.
Yeah.
Going down as well.
Medyo madalas kasi katataas ng ulan. Nung nasa taas kanina.
Medyo umulan. Iikot pa sana kami, kaya lang nag-decide kami na bumalik na kasi ang lakas ng hangin tsaka ulan. So ayan, nag-clear naman pagdating ng pagbaba namin ng mga ilang 100 meters. Clear siya. Tapos araw naman. Bilis magpalit ng weather, lalo dito sa taas dahil medyo malakas ang hangin. So yung I think yung mga ulan madali lang tawag dito, yung mga ulap pala madali lang silang matangay, pero maganda rito. So instead of shortcut, I think we're taking a long cut. Naligaw eh.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. Now the track becomes single trail.
Yeah, we just followed the stream.
Yeah, I think there is a
Yeah, it is a stream on that gorge. And I think this is the stream that we saw close to the entrance a while ago. So nag-iiba yung vegetation habang tumataas ka. Ito parang mas sa taas may mga clearing, tapos dito mas more ano siya, mas marami puno. So grassland. Ah, that's steep. Oh. Just be careful. Careful here. Ooh. I think this is the trek. No, other side. We can take that. Mhm. Yeah, I think that's a shortcut going back. Careful, because this one's slippery. Ayun. Are we there yet? Okay, shortcut ulit. Tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan natin dito. So into the woods. Are there any wild boars here or something? No? No lions? No?
Squirrels or something?
So there are other hikers there. Yes, single trail. Ooh, careful. Good thing you've got really good traction on our shoes, but just be careful. Careful. I've seen this. I've seen this in my dreams. This part. How do they call that? Deja vu. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen this. Awesome. Okay, now we're back on track. Yun. So yeah, it worked. I think it's the streams.
Yeah.
Really good. Yeah, we're gonna do more next time. We're gonna do the big loop.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's nice. It's a nice trek. And how many kilometers did we do now? 5 kilometers.
Alright.
Yeah. An hour 16. Okay. It's good. Not bad.
Yeah, if you do a big loop all the way around it.
I think it's
maybe
around 5.
2.5 hours.
200. Yeah, let's do that next time. Wow, success. Great success.
Didn't realize that that shortcut was so close to
Yeah, I think so. Nice one. Yeah. We're almost at the gate. And we are entering Narnia.
You know the guy who wrote Narnia is from Belfast.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
That's the name of the guy now?
There's a statue somewhere
Yeah.
of the lion and stuff.
Yeah, yeah. So we're actually at Narnia. So if London has Harry Potter, we have Narnia here.
Yep.
Yeah, and Titanic. Good. Yeah, this is the entrance, and we did it. I think this would lead to that trail a while ago as well.
Yeah.
Here,
Yeah.
this is what they took, and they're getting lost now.
There's also a way in down there, just where that parked car is.
Yeah,
the dark colour.
like this.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the one. That's the track that they used. And even here, oh, there's so much. Okay, so now we're back at the parking lot. So it's a successful hike, even if it rains a bit. But so far so good. Happy. Yes, larga na.